Hi, it's Laurie. I'm in North Vancouver. Ruby and I are here at our home base. We're getting some work done, just some basic maintenance. And one of the biggest things is the pop top. The last time the top went up was when I was in Saskatoon at Pleasure-Way, and they popped her and they tightened all the nuts and bolts for me. But I haven't done it since then, even though I've been in the van for like 30,000 kilometers through the winter, so I'm never sleeping upstairs. I'm always sleeping in the back. A fellow Tofino owner recently texted me and said this: I own a 2022 Tofino and I absolutely love it. I'm a solo female 75-year-old getting ready for a road trip, and I saw the posts on the Facebook group about the nuts and bolts that need to be tightened on the pop top. Is there a video showing where they are and how to check and repair them if needed? So what we're going to do is we're going to pop it and see how those nuts and bolts are, and hopefully they're not going to pop right out of the hinges, because we don't know what's going to happen if that happens. Ready to take her away? Wow, I couldn't have done that. I don't know if you have to grab the straps to let her up slowly.
Oh, one of the lights keep broken off.
One of the lights is broken. Oh, look at that, my light. I wonder how that happened. So there we are with her popped. I finally see where they are. There's 14 of them. At least they haven't popped out. We'll see how the Pleasure-Way holds up after not being popped for over a year. And in snow, rain, hail. Definitely need the ladder that comes with the van. Although, Bruce has a better idea with the step ladder that's solid instead of leaning it up against the van. It's my bike, Violet. Hey, Georgie. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm just standing in the door. They're not loose. This one that I feel.
Yeah, it doesn't feel loose to me either.
Yay! Good job, Pleasure-Way. I feel like before I put the lid down, I want to clean. It's pretty dusty up here.
Way too big. Oh, way too big. Still too big.
Word to the wise, have a huge nut and bolt kit. What do you call that thing?
Socket set.
Have a huge socket set.
It's too small.
It's always the last one you try.
They're snug already.
They're snug already! Good job, Pleasure-Way.
I'll have to get a 10mm wrench to check that one.
Most of the nuts on this vehicle are metric, which means...
You need a metric socket set and metric wrenches. That's tight. It's smidgen loose. It's quite loose.
Oh, that was quite loose. Oh.
Am I turning the wrong way? Maybe that's why.
So was that slightly loose?
No, it was like the others, just snug. It's just that it's on the opposite side than the other ones.
Gotcha.
10mm.
10mm for the
Nuts.
nuts.
We didn't need it, but what size is the Allen wrench? No.
And the Allen is for the what?
If they were really loose, you might need the Allen. And it's a, well, 5/32 works. I don't know if Allen's probably come in metric as well, but there's so little difference. So 5/32 Allen's good to have a complete Allen set for this vehicle, because it seems everything's slightly different. Some of the bolts are long enough that there's 1, 2, 3 threads, and other ones are shorter, like this one. This one is flush.
Okay, I gotta get down. I can't hold myself up anymore.
Okay, so that side's done.
Can I hand you my phone? Because I need 2 hands to get down.
I'll just video it just for
yeah,
fun.
do both.
Oh wait,
Spot
wrong
and,
way.
Spot and video. Thank you. Whew. It's easier getting up than down. Thanks, Bruce. Oh, that was tough. Okay.
Now that I think about it, maybe they can't be too tight, because otherwise they may not pivot very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think they're okay.
How's the canvas? I can't really tell.
See any problems? I don't see any pinching. I don't see any places where it's coming out or anything.
Bruce is looking up what we oil the liftgate struts with, and we're at 25 minutes and 52 seconds.
It's the internet. There's 14,000 different opinions.
Gotcha. So those are Ruby's all seasons, waiting to get switched over. Also get a synthetic oil change on Monday and get those brakes checked. What a relief. Everything was fine. Good job, Pleasure-Way. Good job, Ruby. Keeping your top on. It took a total of about 30 minutes to check the pop top.
And if we would have known, next time it would take 10.
Next time it would take 10. Okay, so how did I used to do this? I remember I used to wear gloves, and those are all inside being washed. Oh. I don't know if I can do it. I must weigh less. Now I know why I wore gloves. It hurts. I better start eating more Wheaties. Okay. Oh, shit. I can't get it down. If I can't do it now, I'm going to try with the door cracked. Oh. Nope.
It's working.
Holy mother. I can't do it.
It was working.
Damn. Okay, this will be my last try. I'm really working up a sweat. I might not be able to do it. I feel like I'm losing strength. Come on, Ruby. Okay, so Bruce has pulled it up and down several times. Like a charm. And that means I'm ready to give it another try. We'll see. We're gonna get all the way up. Yeah, I'm gonna come up and sleep up here again. I miss you, Ruby. Woohoo! I did it, you guys. Oh, thank you, Bruce, for loosening her up. It was his idea to open and close it a few times so that it would loosen up, and she did. Thanks, Bruce. That was really, I couldn't have done it without you, 100%. Good girl. Yes, 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 yes. That was good. Thanks, everybody. I hope this was helpful, and as always, take good care of yourself because you are worth taking good care of. Mwah. Bye.